So what you're seeing here is some of the very surface benefits of using classes rather than straight up functions. As you can see, the functionality is identical between this and our old version, but by adding this layer onto what we've already done, we open up some real possibilities with what we can do with our code. Some things that are impossible to do with functions all of a sudden become possible with classes. The relationship between various pieces of data and various functionality in our code becomes much more explicit and clear, so it becomes easier to read and understand what we've built when we come back to it later on. One thing that we won't get into here, but we may cover in future advanced PHP videos, is that you can take this class and you can actually extend it. By extending it, what that means is that you build a new class that extends this existing class. So with it, we get all of the properties and all of the methods of this original class, but then we get to add some additional properties and methods onto it. So a possible use case here would be if we have a type of content that's particularly different than the types of content that we would normally work with inside of this CRUD script. We may want all of the features of this CRUD script, but we may want to add some additional features to it. And so we can do that by extending this class and creating a new class based on this. We get all of the features of the code without having to copy the code. We simply use an extends keyword and we get all of the benefits of our class.